11 and 6, 11, 11. This is considerably bigger than that 16 shot there. We got $5, 6, $9, 10, 17, and we got 17 here. $25 a piece. And these big cakes. $25 a piece on the battle box. $35 for red hot peppers. $50 for kamikaze. $35. Kamikaze says it's 90 shots. So it's not a bad price. 26. 23 a piece on these Sunwing. These 4 Sunwing cakes. 25. 30. And 30. 20, 28. 21. 21. 22. 35. 2-inch shots, 9 2-inch shots. 50. 450. $10. 19. 26. 21. And 28. Big Sexy. $70. Um, 12 shot. Got 24, 30, 15, 16, 15, and 18. Let's see if I want to get all these tiny cakes or not. Two-way Hot Wheel is $55. Fountains, $5.50. $4 a piece. $5.50 or $4.50. 7. 11. And 13. 6. 550. Pandora's Box is 27. Grand Slam by Chili or Black Scorpion, 14. That one's 14. Drone, 11. Let's see, what's this? 30, no, actually it's 26. 11. Get some Firecrackers. Marked $1 off. 12 on this one here. These marked down to 5. These tubes here, 11 bucks a piece. They're kind of wonky. That's probably why they're here. They're at angles. You know, they're mounted on the bases at angles rather than straight up. 60. 350. 350. Nerdcore 16. Same with that. All these. All 16. 6 and 9. 13. 13. 6 bucks. 9. 21. 5. 13. $8. 5. Alright, let's jump over to here. Whoa, better pay attention to my cart. $30. Same here. $5. I believe these are all still fountains. $4.25. $8. And that $1.50. $7. $13. Those are $3.50. $20. $27. $13 on these. $11. $10.